Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you a very tasty different fish curry. It's called mahi mahi fish. This is solid fish, doesn't have bad smell and it's very tasty. Keep watching this video till end how I make this fish curry. Here I have taken 4 pieces of boneless mahi mahi fish. And here 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon mustard seeds and 2 dry red chili. I already soaked into lukewarm water for 30 minutes. I will make with mustard oil because I added mustard seeds in this masala. You can use olive oil or vegetable oil if you want. Little bit chopped ginger like 2 tablespoons. I will grind the ginger with this masala. Chopped tomato medium size chopped onion finely chopped, 4 green chili, 1 tablespoon pachforon, half tablespoon nigella seeds or kalo jire or kalonji and 2 dry red chili. I will tell you later why we need for this, turmeric powder and salt. Okay, let's marinate the fish. Little bit salt and turmeric. Keep aside for few minutes. In the meantime, we will make the masala. I am adding chopped ginger. Our masala is ready. We need smooth paste. I forgot to tell you, I added pinch of sugar, adding mustard oil, 4 tablespoon mustard oil. Now I will fry the fish pieces. I will flip the other side. Fish fry is ready. Remove them. Add pachforon. Chopped onion. I am not adding garlic, red chili powder, whole garam masala and garam masala powder in this recipe because I added mustard seed, that's why. Keep stirring until the onion is not getting golden. Okay, now we will add chopped tomato. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric. Cover it for 3 to 4 minutes. It's almost 3 minutes. Now I will add masala paste. We have to saute the masala until the oil is not getting separate. It will take at least 4 to 5 minutes. Now we will add salt. Salt according to taste. Cover it for 5 minutes. In between, I will stir it. Let's check the masala. Oil is not getting separate. We have to keep sauteed for 2 more minutes. Oil is separating now. So we will add some water for the gravy. We need some more water because we have to cook the fish. Cover it for 2 minutes. We will add the fish pieces later. Add all fried fish pieces. Add green chili. We'll cook the fish on medium heat for 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, I have to flip the fish pieces other side. Cook on medium heat. It will take 5 more minutes. Okay. Our fish, mahi mahi fish curry is ready. We have to do one more thing. For now, switch off the flame. As I told you, why we need nigella seeds and dry red chili, we need for tarka. Here I have taken 1 tablespoon mustard oil. Oil is hot. Add red chili and nigella seeds. This is for garnishing and for good flavor. Switch off the gas. Let's garnish it. Mahi mahi fish curry is ready. Look at this. This fish curry served with steamed rice. Try to make it at home and let me know how it is. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time. Take care. Bye.